I got this from $5 and Five Below, and so I think it's super, super nice. I'm gonna give this a little bit more of height in here, and I can get rid of the yellow part. I'm still not sure if I want to leave the yellow or not. And also I have this flower I'm going to place somewhere here on the net. I'm gonna cut the piece that I don't need. Let's measure again. This is much better. I just need to get rid of some of this area here, leaving like half of the centimeter, and that's going to be enough. I know that some of you don't like spiders, but spiders and ladies who make and create journal share surprising symbolic connection rooted in creativity and intricate craftsmanship. The spider often is associated with feminine energy and patience. I'm going to place this somewhere, probably there, and I need like a label, or probably I'm gonna do it here, or I'm going to do it on the spine to remember the date and the year I'm making this journal. I will do this with a little bit of orange, and the flower is right here. Let me just get rid of the white a little bit more. And I can place the flower like trap in that net. It's also a solution. Only for $5 you can have a nice sketchbook like this one, and it comes with a lot of pages, a lot of pages. And then what I'm going to do also is I'm gonna use my distress vintage photo around here, and then I'm going to glue this like so. I really like. Let's add the distress ink around. Let's glue it. Right there. It's really nice. I like it. Now let's go it on top of the cover. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing something else, but you know what? I'm gonna leave this as a pocket. So I'm gonna just glue part of the cardstock, and then I'm gonna leave that as a pocket. Both spiders and journalers transform what might seem like junk into delicate and artful expressions. One with silk and the other with stories and textures. That is just precisely what I'm doing with this sketchbook that I'm transforming into a future journal. I know that many of you don't like spiders, but spiders are related with creativity and with work because they work with silk and we work with paper and with thread inside our junk journals, agendas, and scrapbooks. So that's why I picked this image in order to decorate the cover of this sketchbook. You don't have to worry because you don't have stickers or anything special in order to start creating. In order to give this journal a final touch, I am going to use Mod Podge that I had in this plate here to give the cover a final shine and a perfect finishing touch. I still don't know what I'm gonna be placing or filling this journal with, but I do know that I am in love with the result. I was tempted to cover the spider and replace it by a face, another picture, but then when I realized work with no stopping moments every day that remind me myself and probably yourself. So yeah, spiders are hard workers, and as you can see here, I am honoring them and relating them and their work with our way of making journals. This is ready, and as I told you before, I left a pocket here in which I can place materials. I can have some ephemeras, and right now I'm just gonna leave it like so because I need this to dry. This is just to demonstrate to you that I have this pocket here. So I have a full journal, like full opportunities to start creating, and of course I'm going to be showing my creations here in my channel, Maria Creative Mind. Thanks for hanging out with me here on this day, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and sprinkle some gluey magic on your own journals. See you very soon in my next creative episode. Bye friends. Bye bye. Bye friends.